Okay, let's see what some of the questions are. Yoni said that you have some controversial, provocative views. What are those?
You gotta watch those two documentaries.
You got their attention anyway. We'll get back to that in a second. Should Hasidic Jews use birth control? What, there are too many of us? I don't know if we should. Maybe the question is, do we? It doesn't look like, does it? Actually, birth control is permissible. Abortion, that's a different story. But birth control is a very necessary, sometimes. I mean, so is abortion, sometimes. So we have to know when it's right and when it's wrong, and that's what we have the Torah. We have to ask God when He thinks it's okay to take a life or defend yourself or whatever. So birth control is definitely available when necessary. In your opinion, what is the greatest challenge now facing the Hasidic community? And what opportunities are you most excited for related to the Hasidic community? Well, one of the most exciting things is the tour. This, that people from all over the world are interested in what we have to say and it's an amazing thing. I mean, we always thought we were interesting. Not too many others thought that, but now and the greatest challenge is to live up to our own expectations, because we are raised with some very ambitious life plans. Everyone in this community since 1940 was raised with the conviction that there is no such thing as a private citizen. Everyone is responsible for the rest of the world. And this live and let live, that's not kosher. That's not moral. You don't just live your life and not bother anybody. There's no point, there's no excitement, there's no purpose, we are really raised with the conviction that what we do affects the whole world, and what we have to offer is good for the whole world, and that's why we're such an open community. If you don't come to us, we'll come to you. So thank you for saving us a trip. Because we got to fix life on earth and make it livable. You can't just neglect it. And everyone even little kids run around thinking I have to fix the world. So that is the challenge, and the greatest opportunity and the most exciting thing, the most recent exciting thing, is this tour. It's just amazing. It's a dream come true.